Hey y'all, it's Bear. It's time for another spam battle. This time bacon. That's right, we got the Bristol Dollar Tree Bacon Grill Luncheon Loaf right there. And then we've got spam bacon. So let's see here. Give you an ingredient look. Let's see, yeah. Y'all just pause your screen. And the luncheon loaf. Let's see here. Alright, there you go. That's the ingredients. And here, you want the nutritional value? I know y'all like to ask me about the sodium. Here we go. So, there we go. There's the formalities. Let's cut some up and fry it and get to eating. I brought along some of those old Ova Crystal eggs so we can have some scrambled eggs to go with it. Well, and just like the spam battle, the Dollar Tree looks significantly different than the spam brand. A little bit different smell. Ooh. Maybe 2 slices of each again. You know, I told you I was going to do some testing on this Gerber knife and tell you about it. I hadn't done it yet. That was almost a year ago. I've been busy. Been cooking. Here's your Bristol. Here's your Dollar Tree. Here's your spam. We need to put some heat on the stove. Matches, matches, matches. I brought matches. There they are. Matches. Alright, I'm gonna give it the benefit of just a touch of oil to get things started with. Alright, Bristol, you're going in first. Let's see. I need 4 tablespoons of egg powder, egg crystals. 1, 4. Let's see here. See how I'm doing. Oh yeah, we're crisping up nice. I'm gonna put a little parsley in my eggs. And it's gonna be easier to dip the water I need than to pour it into the tablespoon measure. I need 6. Two and 6. All right, egg crystals, here we go. Let's see, I need a Swizzler. All right, spam. See what you're made of. And that was some Dollar Tree oil I was using too. It's their olive oil. It's 94% soybean oil, I think. It might be more than that. Let me look. See. Extra virgin olive oil blend. That blend's a key word. Let's see here. It is. It says it on here someplace. Yeah, 94% soybean oil, 4% 6%, sorry, my math went away. 6% olive oil. Y'all want a little pan action? And someone asked, that's stainless steel. I believe the handle's aluminum. I forgot the top. I forgot the top mount to my tripod. I've got my monopod haphazardly jammed into the picnic table to hold it up. Oh man, that might be perfection there. Let's see. Hey, a random bug just landed in my oil and is cooking. Go away. You're not on the menu. Alright, let's scramble off these eggs real quick. Salt, pepper. If y'all are interested in these Ova Easy eggs, I did a comparison. I cooked some just plain old eggs right out of the chicken, and some of these Ova Easy, I scrambled them side by side. I'll leave a link to that video in the comments if you missed it and you're interested in these Ova Easies. And yeah, we brought a little cheese action. Got some cheddar. Get that on there. Ooh. Oh, that's a happy egg. Got myself a little salsa packet for the eggs. Y'all want to get down here and see this? It'll take me a minute because you're on the monopod, but I'm going to get you down here. You want to see this, trust me. Spam, Dollar Tree. Spam, Dollar Tree, Ova Easy. The review video's in the link below. Alright, let's see. Dollar Tree. Let's try Dollar Tree out. Give them the benefit of fresh taste buds. You know what? That's not too bad. And the Spam. Interesting. The Spam almost seems saltier to me, but has a lower sodium count than the Dollar Tree. The Spam's maybe a little more bacony, but I say go for it. If you're on a budget and you need to spend and get the Dollar Tree bacon, get it. I'm not disappointed in this one at all. I'm really surprised. It's a little milder than the Spam. But it's not bad, and it's way better than that Dollar Tree luncheon loaf that we tried a few months ago. Now, I want to be clear that the Spam bacon was the clear winner, but the Bristol Bacon Grill just surprised me in how decent it was and edible. Well, now I'm fighting an air conditioner, so I'm going to go, and we'll see you on the trail. All right, let's see what we got, y'all. Whoa! Camera overboard. I'm gonna sit down softly. No! Dog it. All right, y'all, I can't break another camera. I'm not even gonna sit down this time. I'm just gonna kneel behind the table. Oh man, I can't break another camera.